Guys dating? Duh. I didn't know. If you didn't know, my bad. My bad. If you didn't know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it like that. Ma'am, you can't be back here, ma'am. Oh, whoa! You right. I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean it like that. It's been 3 years. That's why. It's legend. Rose, Bruno Mars. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. I don't need to explain it to do. My king and queen. I serve thee.
I serve thee.
Do I need subtitles? No.
Game. Random game.
Oh.
Game start.
I don't think people realize how crazy this collab is.
What
This is a
the
crazy
fuck?
start too.
It's a game. It's a game.
Oh, she's actually tried. Oh, so like in the caption, she said, "I tried teaching him a game, a Korean game."
Yeah, this is the game.
Random.
Wow. Wait, this is kind of iconic.
장이가 좋아하는 random game. Random game. Game start.
Hey, this is crazy to see. Let's go, Rose.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to
Kissy face.
Kissy
So he was
face,
teasing
kissy
about
face.
like, you trying to kiss me? Cause if you looked at the caption when they posted a thing, all right, sorry, I gotta stop. Let's listen to it finally.
Okay.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real.
Oh,
Red hearts, that's what I'm on.
Woo.
Yeah. Come give me something I can feel.
Okay.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, tonight.
Let's go, Bruno.
All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Oh my God,
That's
the height
clever.
difference
That's
is.
so.
I love Bruno. Look, you my short king. For us Filipinos, you represent me. I love you. And the fact that you were my bias from Blackpink is crazy to me.
Oh, I wasn't even paying attention to their height.
Because they were dancing next to each other. Look at that face. Look at that face.
Meet me at the
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, it's an actual game.
Hey.
Oh.
It's whatever you like.
Oh.
Turn this APT into a club.
Hey.
Smoke free, party all night. Come on. Gumbe, what's up?
Gumbe.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't
Oh, their voices sound so
Hit
good
me.
together.
Hit me with the arrow, Bruno.
Oh.
crazy.
I'm jealous of Rose's lips kissing Bruno's cheek. You thought I was gonna say I was jealous of Bruno? No, I'm jealous of Rose. You see that?
I need you now. Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet
You wanna be
me
Rose?
at the-
Huh?
You want to be Rose? You want to kiss Bruno on the cheek?
Yeah. Who wouldn't?
Hey, so now you know the game.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay.
'Cause I'm coming to get you. Get you. Hold on, I'm on my way.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way.
Hey.
I'm on my way.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I
Oh
need
my
you?
God, this is
Sleep tomorrow,
hard to believe. It's so. It came at us so fast.
just meet me at the-
Oh, it is a fun song though.
Just meet me at
Hey!
Just meet me at
Wow. Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Is that it?
Wow.
I've been waiting.
I wasn't
For-
okay. I wasn't expecting it to be an upbeat.
Yeah.
song. Like super upbeat. Like that.
It sounds like old school, like Bruno Mars too.
Mm-hmm.
Like that, his sound. Everybody knows his sound.
Also, their voices sound really good together.
It does sound really good together.
They really what is it?
What is
Blend together.
APT? What is APT?
Apartment.
It's literally apartment. Yeah.
apartment.
Okay.
Yeah.
But why are they saying it?
What? Why are they saying it?
Yeah.
It's part of the game, I think.
Ah.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I. Because at the very beginning,
Right.
it's like it. Because. Like, I know Korean drinking games, but I don't know every single one.
Right.
But they started it as, like, they say, like, they usually for, like, Korean drinking games, they, like, have this, like, little phrase at the start, and then it says game start, and then the APT is part of the game. Because usually they have, like, there's one there's like bunny 당근. It's like the same kind of like
cadence.
Yeah. So it's one of those games, drinking games that you do with your
see.
friends. But they're using that, and she's talking about like, oh, like come meet me at my apartment. Yeah, I don't want to just like kiss through the phone. I want you to like
Be at my apartment.
be like, you know,
It's a
I
flirty
wanna kiss
song,
you in
almost.
person. Yeah, so it's I liked the lyrics. I liked the way they utilized the game
Drinking game.
Yeah, the drinking game, and made it the chorus.
That's interesting.
It was it's really good. Yeah, I really like it. It's different. Very different.
Oh, like I said, somebody said like I said, the beat in the beginning gives me Tony Bezos. Hey Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey.
Yeah, I feel that.
APT.
So catchy.
Game start.
It is so crazy to see. I've been waiting to see. No, can I say? I've been waiting to see who Bruno Mars would collab with in the K-pop world.
I know.
Has he collabed with anybody? He wrote or he sold a song to Taemin or to SM.
Yes.
It was Drip or no?
Press My Number.
Press My Number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he sold to, but he never
collabed. I've never seen a collab. This is the first
K-pop
ever
collaboration for Bruno.
K-pop. Yeah.
Yeah, and out of
Work with a K-pop idol.
all of the K-pop idols, I feel like Rosé is a really good person to collaborate with.
I've just been waiting.
I remember when, like, you know, at the beginning when Rosé like first debuted, everybody wanted to collab with her. Like
Who,
everybody
Rosé?
and their mama, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're like, I want to collab with Rosé, and look at her collaborating with Bruno Mars.
I know, bro.
Okay.
Listen, Lisa's been killing it. Jenny's been killing it. Rose, hey, I'm looking for you, Jisoo.
Okay, Jisoo,
Jisoo
we
be
waiting.
gonna be straight killing.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel.
Damn.
Don't you want me like a
This suits Rose.
So good.
I love this. I love his face. I'm sorry. It's such a troll face.
It
too.
is.
Look at this man. Look at this man. He's always been trolling low key, to be honest. High key. Everywhere he goes. Oh my god, I'm jealous of both of them though.
So good.
I'm jealous of both of them right here.
Me.
I want to be either or. Can I be in the middle of this? This head hug.
It's whatever, it's whatever.
Woo!
Turn this APT into a club. Talking drink,
Damn. Let's go, Bruno.
Hey.
Gumbe, gumbe, go, what's up?
Gumbe, go, what's up?
That's so fire.
Gumbe is like
Gumbe.
what is
Cheers.
oh, like cheers. Gumbe,
Gumbe,
Gumbe, what's Gumbe, Gumbe,
Girl,
what's
what's
up?
up?
Girl, what's up? Yeah.
Girl, what's up, right? Gumbe, Gumbe.
Party all night. Gumbe, gumbe, go, what's up?
Gumbe, Gumbe. Oh.
Don't you want me like I want
This is cute.
Don't you need me like I need
Cute.
now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight.
That's crazy.
That
She
is the
did
proper
kiss him.
reaction. Apate.
This is cute. I like this a lot. This is a fun song. Good job, Rose. Let's go, Bruno.
Hey,
What?
so now you know the game.
Okay.
Are you ready? Cause I'm coming to get you. Get you, get you. Hold tight, I'm on my way.
If they ever perform this live, that would be nice. I don't know when.
I'm on my way. Hold tight, I'm on my way.
Ooh.
I'm on my way.
Shout out to the music video too.
I want you, baby. Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep
This is my new favorite karaoke song.
crazy. All you gotta do is
Why am I blushing? Hey! I love this effect. The only head solos. Hey!
Wow.
Woo!
So good.
That was
So
good. That was good.
Wow.
Let's go.
I am. Yeah, I really, really, really like this
Apata.
collaboration.
Yeah,
Apata.
apa, it's saying in syllables.
Yes.
Apata, 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 apata. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Let's go, Short King. Let's go, Bruno.
Let's go.
I rep you, bro. I love. Oh my God, he's my
Yeah.
king. And my rose bias, but I mean my Blackpink bias. Let's go. It fits so well. It's a fun song.
good.
It's probably gonna be in my head.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Apata,
That's
apata.
literally like a freaking like
Just earworm.
earworm.
It
That's
hooks
what I
you
was
in.
trying to. Yeah, earworm.
Just
So
the
good.
syllables of apartment. What do you call it? Just meet me at the apata.
And it's a very, very well, like saying APT is very like Korean.
Yeah, very Korean.
Because we don't we have like what is it with consonants like a T. We can't just like end it with a T.
Tuh.
There has to be a vowel with it. So that's why it's APT.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I like the way that Rose started it. Kissy face through my phone, something like that. And then
Yeah.
Bruno Mars part was very Bruno Mars, and I love every minute of it.
They looked like they had a lot of fun.
I know this feels
on
like a
set.
short music video though.
Yeah, it is. It is
And
short.
for what they
Yeah.
had in one set, shout out to the graphic designers.
Yeah.
The editing, the
so
filming.
good.
I think it went well.
Yeah, it's really good. Really, really catchy. I like the production too, the music production of it
I
as
agree.
well. Like at the ending chorus, like this, like really like this guitar, filtered out guitar comes in.
Right.
So good, so good.
Yeah.
It like really fills up the whole ending of it.
But yeah, we
but
like
yeah,
it. It's a fun
love it.
song. I'm surprised by the collab.
I know.
It came so sudden to me.
I'm so proud of them because
Yeah.
they're finally doing stuff on their own.
Oh,
without-
Blackpink, yeah.
Yeah, without YG.
And they're
without a
doing
label.
well.
Yeah, I mean with
Well,
their
I think they're
own
doing well.
label, but
Yeah,
you know
I think
what
they're doing
mean.
well. I
Yeah.
enjoy Jenny's. I'm enjoying Lisa's. I'm enjoying Jisoo's too. I know she's been acting too. Rose. I know Rose's under Black Label, correct me if I'm wrong.
Oh,
But,
Black Label.
Yeah.
Okay.
And she's coming out with a new album.
Wow.
Rosie, December 6th.
December 6th. Ooh.
All right, y'all. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you're not, it's probably on Patreon. But yeah, and to those who watch it on live stream, appreciate you for coming through and enjoying our little review or reaction. It's your boy Dre. This is Hedgen. Follow on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.